Hello and welcome to Trains in Viatic, and today we're looking at the smart screen by Train Tech again. This Wednesday, which is today, and next Wednesday we're going to be looking at two additional things we can do with a smart screen. Today we're going to be looking at using it in a Loco as a destination board. So let's go onto the titles and then we can see what we're doing. If you have seen this demonstrated on the Train Tech stand, you will have seen this installed in a wagon's window, in a coach window. I'm not actually going to put it in the coach window because this one have got additional use in my layout eventually, so I'm just using this one to show you how to do it. But I'm going to show you how to set it up so that it change of direction of Loco, and then I'll also show you how to do it for analog control. Then next Wednesday we have another project using for a smart screen. So I'll go and grab my controller and then we can start. You'll notice that I'm only displaying two different messages, which is Brighton and London Main. Both of them call out to airport. So reason I have done this is you only want two messages programmed onto the screen, and they're into slot A and B. If you program it into anything else, when you run a command, you might display the wrong message. So to program the screen, if you go to my previous video on the smart screen, which show you how to program it, but to enter it you press F8, and you can see it's brought up the address and the clock address, and then we want to do F5 to enter the controls. Then we go for F4 as we want it to be under a Loco address. I want it to be 8844, which is the number of my little shunter will be displaying this against. So we press F4 to change the address up, then F5 to go to the next one. So 8844, and then we're going to want to save it, which is F6. So when I go on to change my Loco to Loco 8844, and press enter, and I change the direction, the destination change. So that's programmed in quite nicely. So this is just running under the standard Loco address and just changing the direction, change the message. I'm going to quickly grab a Loco so that we can display this working in the same way. So I'll be back in a moment. I have now got this Class 08 attached, and it has the same address as the smart screen. So what I'll do is I'll give the train a little bit of power, and then when I change the direction you'll see it stop and the screen change. And then I'll do it again, and it turned back again. But you'll be thinking, that's okay, it's DCC. What about us poor analog people? Reading the instructions, it should be as simple as just connecting for a controller, and then it will change direction when the train change direction. So for you it will be a few seconds, for me it will be a few minutes as I change the setup. So I have set this up. You've got to have a pull of a Loco for the screen to actually work properly, otherwise you get errors. I'll just hold the Loco in place so that we can actually see it running. So give it a bit of power. You can see the wheels are going, and then it starts to flash, and then it works. And then if we run it in the other direction, you can see it start off by flashing. Give it a bit more power, and then the screen works. So this isn't the best test position, but it does show what it does do. But there is an error you can get, which I didn't realise to start off with. So I got no track power, nothing on the track. And you can see the screen just flashes away. So just turn it on and it flashes. You need to have a load of a train on it for it to actually work properly. And if you don't power it on correctly, you can get a complete garbage screen. So if you're finding the screen isn't doing what you think, make sure you have a Loco on the track to actually take some power. As like this, you can see the screen flashing. Put the Loco on and the screen goes solid. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Next week we'll be looking at how to change the destination using switches on next Wednesday. So make sure to like, share, comment, and I'll see you all on Saturday. Thank you very much. Richard.